How to create a Rainbow Veggie Power Bowl for anytime cooking. Welcome to 555 Cooking Ideas, where cooking meets creativity and healthy living becomes delicious. Today, we're making something colorful, vibrant, and full of life, the Rainbow Veggie Power Bowl. A bowl so beautiful, so refreshing, and so energizing that it will quickly become your go-to meal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This dish is all about balance, fresh vegetables, whole grains, plant-based protein, and a flavorful dressing that ties it all together. It's proof that healthy food can look stunning and taste amazing at the same time. Let's get started. For this Rainbow Veggie Power Bowl, you will need 1 cup cooked quinoa or brown rice, half a cup of chickpeas or black beans, half a red bell pepper, chopped half a yellow bell pepper, chopped 1 small carrot, grated half a cup purple cabbage, thinly sliced half a cucumber, diced a handful of baby spinach or kale, a few cherry tomatoes, halved half an avocado, sliced 1 tablespoon olive oil, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, salt and pepper to taste, optional, roasted seeds or nuts for crunch. Begin by preparing your base. Place your cooked quinoa or brown rice in a large bowl. This will provide the perfect foundation, hearty, nourishing, and packed with fiber and minerals. Next, let's add our colorful vegetables. Add the spinach or kale, chopped peppers, grated carrot, purple cabbage, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. Every ingredient adds its own color, texture, and nutrients. This is what we call eating the rainbow, a natural way to get vitamins from every color group. Now add your chickpeas or black beans for plant-based protein. These make the bowl filling, satisfying, and full of long-lasting energy. Top with creamy avocado slices to bring in healthy fats and a smooth texture. Now, let's make a quick and fresh dressing. In a small bowl, mix olive oil, lemon juice, honey or maple syrup, salt, and pepper. Whisk it until smooth and golden. Pour this dressing over your bowl and toss everything gently so the flavors come together. Take a moment to look at your bowl. Red, yellow, green, purple, orange, a perfect blend of color and nutrition. This is more than food. It's art created with love and purpose. Here are a few pro tips from 555 Cooking Ideas. If you prefer a warm bowl, lightly sauté your vegetables before mixing. For extra crunch, sprinkle roasted sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, or crushed almonds on top. You can also drizzle a spoon of hummus or Greek yogurt for added creaminess. For meal prep, store the ingredients separately and combine just before eating. This Rainbow Veggie Power Bowl is perfect for any time of the day. It's light but filling, fresh but comforting, and bursting with natural energy. Each bite is crisp, tangy, and full of goodness that keeps your body strong and your mind clear. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity, you can make every meal a celebration of flavor and color. The more colors you add to your plate, the more nutrients you give your body. Let's taste it. The freshness of lemon, the smooth avocado, the crunch of cabbage, and the soft quinoa, everything blends beautifully. This is a power bowl that gives you energy, balance, and happiness in one dish. And there you have it, your Rainbow Veggie Power Bowl made with love and care. It's quick, easy, beautiful, and perfect for any time of the day. Thank you for joining me today at 555 Cooking Ideas. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming, healthy, and creative recipes that inspire you to eat better every day. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Because at 555 Cooking Ideas, we believe good food isn't just about taste, it's about joy, color, and balance in every bite. Cook with love, eat with joy, and live a colorful life.